Another of the things that I love about this house is this huge laundry room. Your washer and dryer here, cabinetry above. There was a back door there that leads out into the backyard. But here's what I like. There's a shower in the laundry room. So this is kind of a combination mud room. The reason I like this so much is because we have lots of dogs at my house. How convenient would it be to have your own dog wash right there in your home? This is a great room. I know I keep using that adjective a lot. There's also a large closet here, but plenty of room here. You can put in a folding table. You can put in more cabinetry. And again, there's the door that opens up to the backyard. Let me just adjust here. And you can see that. And I'm going to just move the tripod around so you can see the shower. And then on this side that is the doorway there leading back into the kitchen. And then we have another large walk-in closet. Now remember, the kitchen is right there and there are double pantries. Then you have this here in the laundry room. So another very large room in a very large house, but I really like the functionality, the great layout of the laundry room and the mudroom shower right here on the first level with a door that opens into the backyard.